Okay. So, good evening, everyone. Am I audible and visible? Please tell me, anyone? Okay, fine. So, first of all, what about the yesterday's test? Okay, there were some technical glitch, but that's okay. What about the questions and each and everything? Means questions are clear to you all or not? Please tell me. If it's not, then
Yes, sir, it's clear. Like the CSET was very easy.
okay, fine. So, in how means for your paper, how much time allotted for you?
So it's 40 minutes.
It's 40 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir. So, but I didn't get one thing. Like the question paper is of 40 marks, but the questions are 49.
Yes, yes, yes,
So,
yes.
what is the marking scheme in this?
Basically, there were some technical glitch. That's why those things happen. But don't worry. Uh, we will rectify those errors, and from the next time onwards, you will not get those kind of issues. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, anyone want the discussion on that or not? Means on that paper. If anyone have any query or anything, just I planned for that. That's why I'm asking.
Actually, sir, the passage at the last, actually we were not. I was not aware if these passages will be so lengthy. I was not able to actually read them at that small interval of time.
So I just want to tell you that those passages were not from any other place. Those were from the 2014 previous year paper.
Yes, sir.
So these kind of passages you have to means be in the practice there, so that you will be able to solve the questions in your examination. Fine. And don't worry if you're not means able to solve those passages right now. It's okay. But means try to make a habit, develop the habit to solve these kind of passages. And passage portion, I know very well that there means you all guys need some classes and all, but Asta ma'am is not well due to COVID-19. So when she will be back, she will discuss how to solve the passages and all. After that, you'll be able to solve those things. Don't worry about that part.
Actually, time was very limited.
Yeah. I got that point. And when you notified me, at the same moment, I just discussed with the Sachin sir. And after that means, I think after 2:30, if anyone means appeared in the CSAT paper, then he or she allotted 125 minutes for the same paper. And before that, that was only 50 minutes. Okay, so I just...
Sir, only 40 minutes, sir.
Only 40 minutes, okay. No, 50 minutes, I think.
No, sir, it's 40.
40 minutes.
It's 40. Okay. When I appeared in that test, that time it was 40. Oh, sorry, 50.
Less than a minute was for the question.
Don't worry, that was some technical glitch. Just because this was the first paper in online mode. Before this, we were conducting the test in the Google form and all. But just we are improving the things for you guys. So please cooperate and don't worry. From the next time, you all will get the proper thing. Okay. So,
sir, actually, yes. Sir, I have a question for the recent. Before you, there was a class of economic.
Okay.
Sir, but I feel that the class was not that much focused for that economy class, and it was the random thoughts that I was writing on a paper that this is this. Sir, if the class is organized, it would be better for us, that for our understanding. Otherwise, what happens? 10 thoughts will come from 10 people, and we will not be able to fetch the real that core meaning of the thing.
Okay, no problem. So I'll discuss with the sir and the respective faculties. Don't worry, and we will rectify that issue, and just we will means those kind of things will not happen again in the class.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So fine. So if anyone have any query in the class paper, that means solutions are available near you or not? Just tell me. And I think what I means what I provided means the syllabus that only asked in the means your paper for the CSET, and I'm not aware about any other part, but I'm aware about the CSET part. So let's have a quick revision if anyone want, otherwise just I'll switch to the topic. Anyone? Okay.
Sir, really, I don't feel that there is a need of revision because the paper was very easy.
Paper was easy. Fine. No problem, then I'll not discuss, don't worry. Okay.
Sir, it will be waste of time.
Okay. So if anyone have query, then ask me separately. I'll discuss, means I'll allow means extra 10 minutes or anything else. So if anyone have query, then you can ask. So for today, I planned the coding and decoding portion basically. Okay. So first of all, just 1 minute. Coding and decoding. And those are the very basic questions, but each and every year you will get 1 or 2 questions which are related to the coding and decoding part. Fine. So suppose if I write 2 or 3 words like A, B, C, and then G, H, I, M, N, O, and what will be the next one? These kind of questions. This is the one criteria through which you will get the question related to the coding and decoding part. This one is the first part. Second one, suppose 2 plus 3 greater than 4 minus 6 equal to 2 into 5 plus 4 minus 3. So these kind of things, and suppose they are saying like if plus is equals to minus, minus is equal to greater than is equals to less than. So what you have to do, basically you have to change these symbols, and after that you have to solve these questions, these kind of questions. This is the second part of the coding and decoding part. Third one will be there are 1 sentence, 2 sentence, 3 sentence, and they are asking something like the first sentence, I like apple. Second, apples are very tasty. And third one is taste of apple is good, like this. So what you have to find out in first and second sentence, you have to find out common word. And for that particular, like they are saying, suppose ABC equals to apple and DEF equals to like, and something like that. Okay. So what you have to do, just you have to find out, suppose in the first sentence you are getting apple, in the third sentence you are getting apple. So that means you have to compare, and basically what they say, sentence 1 is equivalent to, so this is sentence 1 equals to ABC DEF GHI, and sentence 3 is equals to ABC and JKL MNO. So ABC is here and ABC is here. So ABC and ABC, and in both sentences you are getting apple as well. So apple will be equivalent to ABC. These kind of things you have to find out. These are the 3 criteria for the coding and decoding portion. Otherwise, they can just means say ask like find out the odd one, find out the even one. These kind of questions. These are the some questions which they may ask in your paper. Okay. So first one, like when you will go through the alphabetical orders. Okay. So how? Just 1 minute. When you will go through the alphabetical orders. Basically, some questions are related to this part, and those are very basic questions, but sometimes you will get some logical questions as well. Okay, so alphabetical orders, like I wrote one question, ABC, then GHI, then what it will be. So now you can see here DEF means 3 letters are missing. After that, you are writing 3 letters. Again, what you have to do? Again, you can skip JKL, what you will write, MN. Suppose if I'm asking what it will be here, then again PQR you will skip, STU will be the answer. So this is the one criteria. And sometimes what you will get like ABC, suppose MNO or anything. So you will see the difference of suppose +1 for this, +2 for this, and +3 for this. These kinds of possibilities are also there. Sometimes you will be getting the question like this, AB1, CD3, and then EF5. Then what will be the next one? So AB, CD plus one difference, again plus one difference. So GH and 1, 3, 5. So you are picking odd in the sequential order. So GH7. So these kind of the things. So these are the basically the coding and decoding portion which is related to your alphabetical orders. Sometime you will get the sequential order as well. Sequential order. Sequential order. So sequential order, sometime you will get the question from the sequence and series part, which I already discussed in the class, and these will be related to your AP, GP, and HP. So I already discussed these things. This will be either related to plus or minus. This will be related either into and division part, and this will be the reverse of AP basically, the reverse of AP, and mostly these will be related to a fractional sequence and all. Sometimes you will get the question from here only, but sometimes suppose one sequence is like 1, 2, okay, the next number is 2, 4, the next number is 3, 6, okay, this is not a particular sequence, just 1 minute. And just see one example, like suppose if I'm writing 2, after that I'm writing 3, and after that 4. This is also not a particular order. Suppose if I'm writing like 1, 2, fine. After that I'm writing 3, 4. After that I'm writing 5, 8. And after that I skip 1, okay. And after that I'm writing like 39, 32. So what will be here? So they might ask these kind of questions as well. So you can see here 1, 3, 5. So here what will be here, and after that 9. So for first number you can see here 7. 7 will be here. Just why it? Just because you are getting like 1, 3, 5, and then 9. So what will be in the mid part of that? So these are the sequence of odd numbers. So you can pick it directly. And for the second number 2, 4, 8, then what will be here? Then 32. So 2, 4, 8, what will be here? And then 32. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So 16 will be here. Fine. So basically these questions are nothing. These may be on the basis of AP, GP combination, AP, HP combination, GP, HP combination. So this is another case, okay? And one more case will be there, like there is nothing, means you will be not able to solve that question by relating the concept of AP, GP, HP or anything else. So what you will do for those kind of questions, suppose I'm giving you a question 1, 3, then 7, then 13, then after this, what will be the number? Like this, okay? So after that, suppose I'm writing like 1, 3, 7, 13. After this, what will be here? Suppose I'm writing here 31. Fine. So what will be the number? So you can go with
19.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I'll take it. So what you have to do, difference approach. This is the most important part in the coding decoding part. Even you are solving for the alphabetical order or for the numerical order. Difference approach means what you have to do, just try to find out the difference between the two numbers. Fine. Okay. So what is the difference between these two numbers? 2. What is the difference between these two numbers? 4. What is the difference between these two numbers? 6. So what you are getting, again, you can do one more thing. You can find out again difference. So 2 will be here and 2 will be here. So again, what will be happen here? Again, 2, the difference of 2 will be for the next number. That means 8. And for the next number, again, the difference will be 2. So that means that the difference of 10 will be possible for them. So if 8 is the difference in between these two numbers, so what you will write here? 21. So if you are writing 21 here, and again, the difference between these two numbers, that is 10. So 21 plus 10, that means 31. So 21 will be your right answer. How you will find out that answer? By the difference approach. This is very basic question, so we picked this very easily. But sometimes you have to only follow a single approach, that is the difference method. Otherwise, you will not be able to solve the question. Suppose you are getting the difference of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Sometimes you will get the difference of 2, 4, then 8, 16, 32. So you will get a GP kind of thing here as well. Okay. So after finding out the difference, again you will get either GP, either AP or HP. So these are the only possibility for any number sequence. Okay. So just try to solve the questions relating to the difference approach. This is another point. Is it clear or not? Please tell me if anyone have doubt in the difference approach, then tell me. I'll discuss more questions on this. Don't worry. After that, this will be more clear for you. Please tell me in the means I just discussed 2, 3 concepts here. Basically, first one is the alphabetical approach. After that means the plus is changed to switch to minus, minus to something and means something to another any number. So how you will approach for that? And another part is the basically sequential order. That means you are already aware about that part. After that, these are the things basically sequential order. So what you have to follow, difference approach. So suppose if I'm giving you a sequence of 4, then 14, then 34, then what it will be? Fine. And after that, I'm writing 104. Again, you can pick the question just by the approach of difference method. How? The difference of 10 is here, the difference of 20 is here. So what will be here and what will be here? Just wait for the minute. So you can say 10, then 20, again the difference of 10. So you can pick it again. That means the difference of 30 for this. Again for this. So the difference of 10 again. So you can say like 40. So when you will add 30, that means 34 plus 30, you will get 64 here. And again, when you will add 40 here, again you will get 104. So 64 will be the right answer for this. Is it clear? These two questions are clear or not? Otherwise, you will not be able to find out the answer for these kind of questions. If you are aware about the difference concept, you will pick the question of sequence series very easily. If the question is relating to your AP, GP, and HP part also, if you are finding out the difference, then only you will be able to means differentiate in between AP, GP, and HP part also. So difference is the most important part here. Is it clear or not? Please tell me. Anyone, please tell me. Okay, fine. So just one thing that I told you the sequence wala partner. That means there will be 3 sentences and some codes will be mentioned for that. So how you will approach for that? So I'll just discuss that part directly with the question. That will be easy for you. Okay. So just now we will switch on the question part basically. Just 1 minute. It's clear. Fine. 64. It's clear. So here is your first question. Fine. So what it is basically, in a certain code language, KEWXAS HUMADEKO. QXAS HUMADEKO means he is eating apple. And again, this one code is given, and meaning is C sells toys. And again, one code is given, and I like apples. Which word in that language means C and apples? Okay. So what? How you will approach like here C and apple? So first of all, you have to write these 3 sentences. Okay. So first one is C is eating apples. C is eating apples. Fine. And for this, the code is given like KEWXAS HUMADEKO. Fine. And the second sentence is C sells toys. C sells toys. And for this, Su lim deto. Su lim deto. And I like apples. I like apples. So just a minute. C is eating apples. Okay. This is okay, just 1 minute. I write something wrong. fine. So C sells toys. That means KEWTEPO. KEWTEPO. And Sulim Deku means this one. So as I already told you, there will be three sentences. There will be three codes. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to find out common words for your sentences, and after that, common code in those sentences. That's it. So in the first sentence, suppose you have to, what you have to find out the meaning of C and apples. So C is here and C is here. In first sentence, C is available, and in the second sentence, C is available. So what is the common in between first and second sentence? So you can see here Q and Q. Basically, these are the common word which is available in the first and second sentence. That means C belongs to, or you can say C is equals to KEW. Is it clear or not? What you have to do, you have to write your sentences. After that, codes of those sentences, and what you have to do, just you have to find out the intersection part, or you can say common part. So whatever the common will be there, that will be your answer. So C in first and second sentence, C is common, and KEW, that is common in the first and second sentences. So that will be the answer. Is it clear or not? Please tell me. This part is clear? Okay, fine. After this, we will see for the apples as well. So for apples again, so apple is available in your first sentence. Just 1 minute. So apple is available in your first sentence, and apple is again available in your third sentence. This is your first sentence, and this is your third sentence. So again, what is common in between these two sentences? Again, you can see here. DEKO, DEKO. So again, you can say that apple is equals to DEKO. So KEW and DEKO. Oh, okay, C will be the right answer for this. First one is like that. Is it clear or not? Please tell me. If it's not clear, then I'll repeat, and if it's clear, then I'll move on the next question. Okay, fine. So again, what I was telling, okay, just do one thing, just try to solve this question. This is again the sentence coding part. So try to give me the answer for the 16 number, 16, 17 and 18. Okay. So please write these sentences in your notebook, and after that try to solve the question number 16, 17 and 18 by your own. And if anyone having any query, then I'll discuss. Don't worry. After that, I'll tell you how to approach. Means if you are not getting the correct answer, please first of all try by yourself. Again, what you have to do, first of all, write the sentence and their code, and after that compare. Wherever you are finding the common part, just you have to write that part only, and you will get your answer. Definitely, you will get the answer. I hope 16th one done. Okay, so 16th, Anna, Daisy, and Himu is saying P will be the answer. Chaya also. Okay, and Chandru as well. So anyone have queried this question, then please tell me. Otherwise, I'll switch to another one. I don't think so. This one is a tough kind of question. Is it clear to all? Please tell me. अगर किसी को query है, then raise your hand. Otherwise, I'll switch to the next question. Okay, fine. So just how is rose written in that code? Rose. Okay, so Anna is saying okay, cannot be determined. Anna is saying, and Chaya is saying A will be the answer. Okay, let's see. Any other? These are the very basic questions. That's why I'm not taking means discussing so many questions. Just please be clear means the concept. Parul is saying ill. Okay, 17th D D B. So Athar, please explain why D not E or A. Please explain.
Sir, actually, there is a word EEE in first and third statement,
Okay.
and it doesn't have any intersection with the meanings. So we
Flowers
cannot,
are vegetables and roses are blue. Yes, yes.
so we
There is
cannot
no intersection.
literally say what is the red,
Yes, yes, yes.
what
You
is
are
the
correct.
rose in it. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yes, yes, sir.
sir, actually, please show me the 17th question.
Yes.
So we cannot determine the actual meaning of that rose
Yes, yes,
in
yes,
that.
yes. Got it. So basically, just see here. Just 1 minute. I'll tell you other one. Little bit in the more clearer way. Just first of all, it should be read. Otherwise, it's not visible. Fine. So this is your first sentence. I'm not writing the sentence. I'm discussing directly. Okay. So this is your first quote and this is your first sentence. This is your third quote and this is your third sentence. So again, ILBEPEE, roses are blue. Fine. And PEEMITHEE, flowers are vegetable. So first of all, what I told you, you have to find out the common word. So R is here and R is here again. So R is common. Okay. R is common in sentence 1 and sentence 3. So again, you have to find out which code is common. So PEE is here and PEE is here. So R is PEE. It's clear. Fine. And after that, I, L, and B. And here, meet and he. So what? There is no common word and there is no common means code for anything. So these are the basically different things. So you are not able to means determine what will be the meaning for roses. Okay. And roses is not available in your second sentence as well. That's why the reason we cannot determine. Suppose again IL is here and instead of MIT, IL was here again. So it might be possible that IL will be the code for the roses. But again, there will be contradiction because two common words and two common codes. So it may be either IL, it may be either PEE. Is it clear or not? Please tell me. If anyone have doubt in this, then please tell me. Otherwise, I'll move with the next question. I hope it's clear to all. What you have to do, first of all, you have to find out the means common word in the two sentences. After that, common code in both in the same two sentences. And if you are getting any particular word, then that will be your answer. Otherwise, you cannot determine it. Fine. So after this, just 1 minute. 18th one, vegetables are red flowers written in this code. So what you can write it? Just tell me. Vegetables are red flowers. Anyone? Okay. Anna is saying D part and Daisy is saying A part. Okay, vegetables are red flowers. So how you will determine? Just I'll write the sentence here. Vegetables are red flowers. Fine. So flowers are vegetables. So flowers are vegetables. So these three will come here. Means PEE, MIT, and HEE. And we already calculated what for R. We already saw here. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. What we calculate? Okay. So vegetables are flowers. That means PEE, MIT, HEE. Fine. Now what will be the meaning for red? Okay. So you have to calculate the meaning of red. Okay. So again here you can see red flowers, that meaning silk he. Okay. So is there any such option? So P silk mate he. So this will be your answer as per my knowledge.
Yes, sir. I messaged you, but you can't.
Yes. A will be the right answer. Why D, Parul? Please explain. For which word you are not able to find out the means code? Please tell me. And if it's clear to you, then fine.
Sir, I think option.
Yes.
I think option is B. 18th one.
Option B. Who is saying option B?
Me, sir, him, myself.
Okay, him. How? Please explain. Don't worry. Please explain.
Sir, from the above coding, we'll get flower P, R, P, and red will be silk, sir.
What? I'm not. Your voice is not clear.
Sir, from the above code, we can write flowers as He, HEE.
ठीक है.
R we can write as P, PEE. And red we can write as silk, SILK.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Here vegetables are red flowers. Our red flowers is in there in B option, sir.
So no. B. Where? How you will skip this one? BE. Did you get any code for this? BE. B is available in only first part. Okay. And that might be possible. That is the meaning for roses or blue only. You are not sure about that part. So BE is missing here.
Vegetables is missing, yes, sir.
Fine. So now basically how I concluded that A will be the answer for this. Flowers are vegetables. Fine. So flowers are vegetables. Okay. So flowers are vegetable. That means these three words will be, these three codes will be for that. Flowers are vegetable. And again, what will be the red part? Red will be only what? Silk. How you concluded that? Flowers, he is common here for flowers. Again, he is common here for the flowers. So he is the meaning, common meaning for the flowers only. After that, silk is remaining for what? Red part. So red is also available in your option. So red for red silk, and for the rest of the sentence, vegetables are flowers. That means PEE and MIT HEE. So that's why only A will be the right answer. I hope it's now clear to all. And if still anyone have doubt, then please tell me. Anna, you want to ask something? Anna, you want to ask something? Otherwise, no. Please.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. It's clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if anyone have query, then please raise your hand. Don't hesitate to ask your doubts. Okay. So please try to solve means, okay, no problem. I'll discuss this one. After that, I'll request to you all means to solve these questions. Basically, how you have to approach for these kind of questions. You will approach like plus denotes, greater than denotes plus, less than denotes minus, plus denotes division. And these are not the means fixed notations. According to question, they may change it. Okay. So for these question, that means from 11 to 15, these will be the notation which you have to use. Okay. So wherever greater than is written, you have to write plus. Wherever less than is written, you have to write minus, and so on. And after that, what you have to find the correct statement. That means after changing these symbols, which which condition satisfies the means which option is okay, that means right, that will be the right answer. Is it clear or not? Please tell me. And how to approach for these kind of questions? Just you have to go with the options only. Just check for the option A, again check for the option B, check for the option C, and check for the option D. So, and if the question is means multiple choice, that means only one answer is correct. So only one, which option is matched, that will be the right answer. Okay. So just I'll discuss this question. After that, you have to do like 6 plus 3. So now what you have to do? Plus will be replaced by what? Just see here. Okay. Plus denotes division. That means 6 divided by 3. And greater than denotes plus. That means 3 plus 1. And then equal to denotes less than, and 4 again plus denotes what? Division, divided by 2, and again less than denotes minus 1. And I hope you all are already aware about the BODMAS. Anyone have doubt in the BODMAS rule? Then please tell me. I'll discuss that part. Okay, I'll discuss. Basically, this is the CSAT class. Okay. Okay. So BODMAS rule is nothing. That is just the approach how you will solve the means. Suppose if you are getting the multiple options in the single question, multiple option, that means plus, minus, into, division, and bracket solving and all. So what you have to do, first of all, B for bracket. Okay, so you have to solve bracket first. Then O stand for off. Off, that means multiplication. Basically, off means multiplication directly. Then division, D for division. Okay, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Is it clear now? BODMAS rule. So first of all, you have to solve bracket, then off. Off, that means, although that is also means if you are getting any question of kind of thing, that means you have to multiply there. And after that, division, then multiplication, then addition, and then finally subtraction. This is the basically BODMAS rule. So if you are not aware about this, then you will not be able to solve these questions. That's why I'm telling you. Fine. So for this question, so this is your means logic for the option A. So now division, addition, division, and subtraction. So what you have to do? First of all, you have to calculate the division part only. So when 6 will be divided by 3, you will get 2, and plus 1 will be like that, less than, again 4 divided by 2, 2 minus 1. So 2 plus 3, okay, and 2 minus 1, that is 1. So 3 is less than 1? No. 1 is less than 3. So first option is wrong. Fine. Is it clear or not? Please tell me. First one is wrong. How wrong? I explained. Is it clear or not? Anyone please tell me. Okay, fine. So now please.
It is wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong, no? So now, Athar, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So, okay. B, C, D. Please try to find out the right answer for this. Please, anyone tell me. What will be the right answer for this? Approach will be same. What you have to do, basically, you have to just change the symbols, and after that, you have to find out your answer. Which one correctly matched here? Please tell me. Okay, Hemu is saying D will be the right answer. Okay, no problem. If D is the right answer, I'll cross check it again. Okay, and I'll skip B and C part. So for D, again what? 14 plus will be changed into division divided by 7. Greater than will be changed into addition, and equal to will be changed into less than what? 6 plus changed into division, and greater than changed into addition. So again, first of all, you have to what you have to do, you have to calculate the division part. Why? Just because division and addition are there, and according to BODMAS rule, you have to solve bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Fine. So 14 divided by 7, that will be 2 plus 3, and 6 divided by 3, that is equals to 2, and plus 2. Just 1 minute. 7 2 2 plus 3, 2 plus 2. Greater than denotes what? Just 1 minute. Greater than denotes. So 2 plus 3, that is 5, less than 4. So is it true? Is it true? Please tell me. Okay. By mistakenly you type, no problem. So, okay. Deji is saying C will be the right answer. Let's check for the C again. And please don't do these kind of mistakes. These are the silly mistakes. They're other, but these will just means make you in the negative. Okay. If you will do like this, then that is not really. So for the C again, just we'll check 8 and less than, that means minus 4, plus means division divided by 2. What is the meaning? Equals to less than 6 and greater than means plus 3. Fine. Okay. So again, minus and division are here, plus is also here. So what you have to do, first of all, you will divide 8 minus 4 divided by 2, that is 2, less than 6 plus 3. Now what you have to do, addition and subtraction, you can do the simultaneously. 6 less than 9. Yeah, this is the right answer. Okay. So C will be the right answer for this. And I hope you already noted these means symbols. So please try to find out the right answer for 12th one. And I'll do one thing, just I'll write all the notations here side. Okay, greater than, that means plus. After that, less than minus. Plus denotes division. And okay, power denotes multiplication. Minus denotes equal to denotes less than, into denotes greater than. Okay, fine. So please try to solve the 12th one. These are the symbols I already written. Okay. And please don't do the silly mistakes, especially in the mathematics portion. Otherwise, definitely I'm damn sure about that you will get some answers in the options available. Okay. क्योंकि उनका ये सिस्टम ही ऐसा है कि वो आपके नेगेटिव्स पे ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं. Positive part is really very easy. Okay, so Athar Ayush is saying C is the answer for the 12th. Let's see. Wait for others too. And till that time frame, you can just proceed for the 13th one as well. Okay, for 12th, you are saying B. Athar, please check it again because I'm getting 4-5 answers as B for the 12th. And these are the very basic questions, but I'm damn sure about means more than 50% people do the silly mistakes in these questions. And I'm getting 6-7 answers for the 12th one as B. So I hope B will be the correct. And I'm not going to solve that question. Basically, I already told you the BODMAS rule. I already told you the conversion. Even I discussed one question. Don't think so. There is the need for the discussion. And who is making their answer correct, I'll consider the negative mark for those guys. And so he's saying C and then again changing their options like B or A. Okay, 13th B again. Okay. Okay, so there are 3 votes for the 13 as well as answer B. And now, if anyone want the discussion on these questions, then please tell me. Otherwise, I'll move with the some other questions. Okay, 12th answer B, right answer, fine. But don't do these kind of mistakes, and you are from the mathematics option, so please be aware. Yes, Ayush, your answer is also correct. Anyone want to ask something, please tell me. Okay, no problem. I'll switch to some other question. And 14th, 15th for the practice purpose. You can go for that. Okay, we already discussed this question. Okay, so this is the missing part. So I don't think so. We need to discuss this one. So please tell me the answer quickly. Tell me the answer for this part. Anna, you are saying what will be the easiest method to do these questions? This one, what I'm telling you, this one is the easiest method for these kind of questions. Just remember BODMAS rule. After that, what you have to do, just change the symbols. And don't worry, here you are taking time because you are just going through the screen, and then after you are moving in your copy paper. That's why you are taking time. But don't worry, in the paper, these will take means 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, for one option you can say. So 160 seconds, that means 2.5 minutes. That's okay. Okay. So 32A questions are easy, but they are time consuming. I'm getting your point. Don't worry. And by practice only you can just solve these kind of questions in little, means less time. Fine. So for 32A is the right answer. Someone is saying, no problem. So what happening here? C is written C, E, G, J, L, N. Okay. So C, after C, D comes, then E, F comes, then G, then H comes, G. Okay. So F, G, H, I. Okay. Then J, then K, L, M, N. Just a minute. Okay. H, I. So there are the different. Okay. Please cross check your answers again. I think you make it wrong. So there are two pairs basically, C, E, G, J, L, N. Then this is the skipped X, Z, B. So C, then D, then E, then F. Skip means D is skipped and F is skipped. Here what happened? H and I, 2 plus 2 is here and plus 1 for the in the same manner. Okay. So what you have to do here? First of all, you have to do plus 2. Plus 2, that means you will miss P, O and P. That means Q will be here. Fine. After that, what you have to do? Plus 1 and plus 1. Means R you have to skip, S you will write, T you have to skip, U you will write. Again what? Plus 2. That means VW you will skip. X you will write plus 1. That means Y you will skip. Z you will write. And after that, A you will skip and B you will write. So I will think Q, S, U will be the right answer for this. And that is option A. Okay, so A was the right answer. Whoever the C, Chandru, you make it C. So I hope plus 2 difference you not calculated. That's why you make it like C part. Is it clear now or not? Please tell me. Chandru, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay,
I understand.
Yeah, perfect. So please keep it in mind. Sometimes like this kind of question, suppose you are getting like there is the difference of only one letter, but after third letter, they make it plus 2. After that, again, they make it plus 1. So please try to understand that please make a proper distance, means difference, make a particular chart or anything. After that only just move on the questions. Otherwise, you'll make it wrong. Fine. So again, directions, analogy, there is no need to read those terminology. So please tell me the answer for the 33. H, U, A, G, T, Z, and so on. Please tell me the answer for this part. Okay. Parul is saying, okay. Anna is saying B. Parul, B, A for the previous one or for this one?
I told the answer for previous question.
So, okay. B again, Hemu. Ayush is saying B. Fine. So I hope B will be the right answer. Let's see. Okay, everyone is saying B. So can I skip this question? Please tell me. Can I skip? Okay, fine. So let's move on the next one. 34, 35, 36, 37. Try to solve all these questions and tell me the answer in one. Means आपको एक बार में आंसर लिख के देना है मुझे 34 to 37, not separately. And these are the very basic things. Demo, please try to write all the answers in one go. I already told you. Okay. 34th. Okay, fine. Let's see. D, E, F.
So 34D.
Yes, yes, yes. UX. B, C. Everyone skip 36, 35 one. Why you are answering for the 36 and you skip for 35 part. Okay, no worries, I'll tell you. Don't worry. Okay. 35C part, Parul Upadhyay. Okay. Your means your answer is correct and you are only one person who answered this one. That's perfect. That means your coding and decoding part is totally 100% perfect. No problem. So I'm underlining something. After that, please tell me the answer. It might be
It
possible.
is C. 35C, you know?
Yes, yes. C will be the right answer. So how to approach? Just see here. Basically, basically these are the reverse of the means previous alphabet. First thing you have to mind. That means reverse, or you can say just minus one kind of thing, like C, D, E, F, G, H, and so on. Fine. This is the one thing. And another thing is that after first two letters, you are seeing you are seeing WX here, UV here, ST here. Okay. So what will be the possibility here? Again, you can see G, H, E, F, C, D. So for these letters, you are going in the you can say in the increasing order. And again, WX, UV, ST, that means you are going for the decreasing order. So for one, you are going for the increasing. For another one, you are going for the decreasing order. So C, D, E, F, G, H, that means I, J. So how you will write here? G, H, you are writing like this. So I, J, you will write like this. I and J. And for ST, what you will write here? ST, UV. So before ST, what will come? R and Q. So how you will write that part? R and Q. So JIRQ will be the right answer for the 35th. That means C part. Is it clear or not? Please tell me. 35th one. 35th one is really a very good question and conceptual. And in one go, you will not be able to solve this question in the examination. अगर किसी के सामने आता तो मुझे नहीं लगता कोई भी कर पाता. But अगर कोई कर पा रहा, that means his coding and decoding part is really very good. 35th is clear or not, everyone? And rest are the very easy questions. So I don't think there is the need of any discussion on the rest of the questions. And still, if anyone wants the discussion on any other question, then please tell me. I'll discuss. Definitely, I'll discuss.
Sir, repeat again 35.
35. Okay, fine. So after two letters like DC, you will skip XW, then EF, again FE, you will skip this one, and again HG, you will skip this one. So what you are getting here, C, D, E, F, G, H, that means I and J. In the reverse order you are getting, like C, D, E, F, G, H, that's why I and J. Again for this, you can see here S, T, U, V, W, X. That means QR. Now QR, S, T, U, V, W, X. Is it clear or not? Please tell me, Hina.
Yes, sir.
Fine. This question is really very easy, but in one go, if you are not getting the means particular line, then you will not be able to solve this question. Fine. The same concept used here again. Nothing new in this one also. So I think the rest are clear to all. And if anyone want any other question, means discussion for any other question, then please tell me. Otherwise, I'll move with the next question. That might be the previous year questions. Yes. Please tell me. I consider that everyone have, means anyone have no. So please try to solve the first question, IAS 97, and it might be possible that you will get the question again, these kind of question in the paper. Tell me the answer. This one is really very easy question. That's why I'm telling you. Not discussing, just I'm asking you to solve. First, second, third, try for all questions. If you are done with first one, then try the second one. If you're done with the 37th A, C, Mansi. Mansi, C for the first one. Okay, let's see. I'm not aware about the answers for these questions. I'll also do in front of you. Let's see. Okay. I'll also doing this on the same question. So P, after that you are getting S, then P. So P, S, P. So how? Plus 2. QR, then S, again plus 2. TU, then V. That means plus 2. WX, then Y. And again, O will be here. R will be here. U will be here. So after O, PQR, again plus 2. SR, then ST, again plus 2, then U, again plus 2, then VW, then X will be here. And for the next one, Q, T, W. Again Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, then X, Y, then Z. So Y, X, Z will be the right answer. That is C part. This one is really very easy question. I don't think so anyone had doubt in the first part. First the C part, yes, correct. So now second one, please tell me. The certain code sent is like this, bird is like this, then what will be the code for LOVE? That means love. Okay. Send is like what? V, D, Q, and G. So S, T, U, V. So you are skipping T and U, that means plus 2. And again A, B, C, D, again plus 2. And O, P, Q, that means plus 2. D, E, F, G, that means plus 2. Again for next one, B, I, R, T, B-I-R-D, bird. Bird is what? E-L-U-G. What you are doing? C-D, then E again plus 2. I-J-K-L again plus 2. R-S-T-U, that is plus 2. D-E-F-G, that is plus 2. So obviously for love again, what you have to do? Plus 2 only. That means L, then M-N-O, O, then P-Q, R, and V, then W-X-Y, and E-F-G-H, O-R-Y-H. Is there any option? O-R-Y-H. So D will be the answer for the second. Okay, second D given by Ria. Yes, your answer is right. Anna, you please check your answer again. Once your answer is correct, Nemu, your answer is correct. So second one is clear to all or not? Please tell me. And third one is little bit logical. So please try to solve this one again also. But if you are not able to solve that part, don't worry, I'll discuss. Basically, this is a tree kind of structure. Okay. So what you have to do? S-O-L-I-D. S-O-L-I-D. So for just count 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. 10 letters are there. So for S, you can say like WP. For O, SL, PI, MF, HA. So how you will write? Okay. So you can say like this: P will be here, W will be here. So this side you can say STUV. Okay, TUV, that means plus 3, and this side QR minus 2. Again for O1, what will be? S and L. So PQR again plus 3, MN, and then O minus 2. And in the same manner, you can find out for the next one as well. Please check it. For the last one, I'll write H and A. So BC, that means minus 2, and EF, that means EFG, that means plus 3. So you are finding that the plus 3 and plus 2, minus 2. This is the sequence for the letters. So after this, please draw the tree for ATEXXQIBBO and tell me the answer. I already told you the concept, so please try to solve the answer for this one as well. Tell me the answer for third part. The questions are very basic, but yes, if you are able to understand the logic, then the questions are very easy and you will be able to solve the question within 10 seconds. And if you are not able to get the exact logic, then if you are trying more than 10 minutes, 20 minutes, then also you will not be able to solve these kind of questions. So please tell me the answer for the third one. Yes, Mansi, your answer is correct. Let's wait for others too. Okay, I think, okay. I got only one answer till now. The rest are doing or not able to understand what I told. Please tell me if anyone is not getting what I told, then I'll repeat. And if no one
Water is the answer.
Water is the right answer. Yes, Parul, your answer is right. Athar, your answer is also correct. So how you will approach, I'll discuss that. So again, ATEXXQIBBO. So AT, you have to write something here. EX again like this. X Q again like this, I B like this, B and O this. So plus 3 minus 2. Okay. So what you have to do basically plus 3. Okay. So what you will get here and minus 2, that means after T what you have to do UV then W like this. I'm approaching in this order, that's why I wrote minus 2 for this, plus 3 for this. If anyone want to go in this order, then you can also write it like minus 3 plus 2. Don't worry, those are the simple notations, so don't worry about that. So T then UV W and A, so W after W X Y Z and then A will come. So here W will. And again minus 2 plus 3, so X Y Z A will be here and B C D E will be here. Again here minus 2 plus 3, so RS you will skip, T will be here and UVW X will be here. Again minus 2 plus 3, so B C D then E will be here, F G H you will skip and like this. Minus 2 plus 3, O P Q, P Q you will skip, R you will write, S T U again plus 3. So W A T E R, water will be the answer for this question. Is it clear to all or not? Please tell me. For third one, water will be the answer. If anyone have doubt, then please raise your hand. I will discuss it again. Otherwise, I will move on the next question. Okay, so I'll consider that everyone is clear about these questions. So in certain code, March is written as OCTEJ. How is return written in that? Please tell me the answer for fourth one. Fourth, fifth, and sixth. Please try to solve all these. And IAS 2000, and after that, IAS 2018. These are the two questions which is and one more. Okay. After this, you'll get the question related to the calendar. Please try to do means the question within the time frame. That means as soon as possible. March again OCTEJ. So N is skipped, O is written, A then B is skipped, C written, R S is skipped, T written. So you can see here plus 1. Only plus 1 difference is here. C then D E H I J. So plus 1. If you will make here, you will skip S, T, F, G, U skip V, V skip W, S skip T, N skip, oh sorry, and then O skip P. So T, G, V, W, T, P. C will be the answer for this part. Is it clear or not? Please tell me. Fourth one. I hope clear to you. After this, I'll discuss the next one, fifth part. Basically, L, S, J, X, V, C. So what is the basically for this? M, U, M, B, A, I. So again, you can see here L then M. You can write it plus 1 or 0 as well. S then T, U, then plus 2. K, L, then M, plus 3. X, Y, Z, A, then B, that means plus 4. B, W, X, Y, Z, and then A, plus 5. C, then D, E, F, G, H, I, plus 6. So what happened here? For the first, the next number, for the second, you have to skip 2 parts, then for 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So in the same manner, you can write for the daily as well. Okay. So for daily, what you will do here. So what you will write basically. Okay, so they are asking. Okay, so this is the code basically for Mumbai. Code for Mumbai. So what will be the code for Delhi? So you have to follow upward approach for this. So that means C will be here basically. C then plus 1, that means D. And what you will write here basically? Tell me anyone. D E na. Again C will be here. That means plus 2. C D E. Fine. And plus 3 here. L then K J. Okay. So C L K J. That means you will write here I. C C I. Am I right or not? KL, na? Okay, so CCI, okay, fine. So CCI, still there are 2 options available with this approach, plus 4. So H, then FGH, na? So you have to skip G, F, E, and Okay, so here what you have to write? F, G, H you will write, skip, so D will be here. And again I is here, so again D will be here. So C, C, I, D, D will be the answer for this one. Fifth one clear है कि नहीं? किसी को doubt है क्या? Okay. So for fifth, okay, everyone answered like A part. Okay, fine. So for the last one, and I already discussed these kind of questions in the previous lectures as well. So what you have to do for these kind of questions, just you have to go with the answer part. So put 4 on the in place of star. If your answer means LHS is equal to RHS, that is right. Otherwise, go for 5, go for 8, and go for 6 as well. So whichever will be matched, that will be your right answer. So anyone tell me what will the answer for the sixth one? Last one Ayush is saying D will be the answer. Okay. And the author is also saying sixth part D. Okay, let's see. So for D, that means I will put 8 directly. So 8 plus 18 plus 28 plus 83 plus 81. What it will be equals to 8, 8, 16, 8, 24, 3, 27, 1, 28, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 13, 20. Yes, that is satisfying the condition. 2, 1, 8. So 8 will be here, and you are writing already 8 in place of all stars. So 8 will be the right answer for the sixth part. Is it clear to all or not? Please tell me. I hope yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
okay. So please try to solve the question for 7th as well as 8th. Again, IAS 2018 and 2018. And one more thing, I want to aware you that in 2018 you got 1, 2, 3, even you can say 4 questions from the coding and decoding part. Just you can see here 4 questions, that means 10 marks only from the coding decoding part. And nothing you have to go with the concept, means there is no concept, there is no logic, just you have to just solve the questions directly. So these are the unexpected things. Sometimes you will get 4 or 5 questions from these kind of topics. And if you are not aware about these kind of difference method, difference approach, you are not aware about how to +1 +2 +3, then you are not able to solve these kind of questions. So in certain code, Raymond is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dinesh is written as like this. Then what will be the code for Aman? Okay, fine. So what you have to do? RAMON. It is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Dinesh, DINESH, again 6, 7, 5, 8, 4, 9. So what will be the code for HAMN? So what you have to do, first of all, find out the code for H. So H is only here. So you will write H like 9. Again, you have to find out the code for A. So A is right 2. So 2 and 2. Again, you have to find out the code for M. That is this. So 3 and 3. 9, 2, 3, 2, 3. 9, 2, 3, 2, 3. Nothing is, no concept, nothing logic, nothing. Okay. And you'll get 2.5 marks directly. Just see here. Anyone have doubt in the 7th part, then please tell me. I don't think so there will be any query. Okay. And the last one more thing, I just want to aware you about that part. IAS, in the IAS questions, you will see the repetitions as well. This question came in 95 and after that in 2018 as well. So that's why please, if possible, try to solve the previous 20 years question for the UPSC CSAT. That will be more than enough for this. Don't go for any concept, don't go for any logic. If you are able to solve the mathematics question for last 20 years, that will be more than sufficient for a CSAT paper. Okay, and I'll cover most of the questions in the class. So again, what you have to do, just you have to find out the difference between the 2 dates. That's it. If you are able to do that, then you will get the answer. Otherwise, you will not be able to do the answer. One thing you have to keep in mind, basically, I'm discussing about the year 96. So 1996. So this number is divisible by 4. That means this is a leap year. Leap year means February will be of 29 days. This is the logic behind this question. So most of the student calculated this answer by using the concept that Feb is of 28 days, and that's why they mark the answer incorrect. Basically, they mention the dates like this: 24, 25, 26, 27. So there will be the difference of 1, either increasing or decreasing, and your answer will be wrong. So anyone tell me the answer for the 8th part? 8th Parul is saying 25th of March 96. Let's see. Any other answer? Okay. So from 4th December to 1st of January, what will be the difference here? Basically, the difference of 28 days directly. Fine. Again here, the difference of what? Just 1 minute. 29th of Jan, then 2, yes. Again, the difference of 28 days. And again here, 2 days from January and 25, that means the difference of 28 days. And so what will be the difference here? Again, 28 days difference. So 3 will be counted from the fifth part, basically 27, 28 and 29, and 25 will be calculated in the next part. That means 25th March. Yes, Parul, your answer is correct. 25th March will be the right answer. If anyone have doubt in this, then please tell me. Otherwise, your answer is done. Yes, and your answer is perfect. So is it clear to all or not? Again, the difference method, 28 days, there are the difference of 28 days only, nothing in the question number 8. So till now, if anyone have doubt, then please tell me. Anyone, any query, then please ask. Okay. So if no one have doubt, then what I consider? You got all the points. And if in 2018 you got the 4-5 question from this part, it might be possible in 2021 again you will get the question means 3-4 questions from the coding and decoding itself. So please try to solve these questions. And if anyone have doubt, if anyone have query, then you can ask me that. Either in the class or in the means. I hope everyone have my contact number. You can contact me on WhatsApp. You can contact me. Fine. And in the next class, we will see some topics which I skipped for the arithmetic portion. And then after I will move on the DI part, data interpretation part. And if anyone wants that DI will be first and arithmetic part will after that part. So please tell me. First of all, you want to discuss the AI part, means arithmetic part or data interpretation part. Data interpretation means the law means the questions like what I just want to tell you: pie chart, bar diagram, a line graph, and like these questions. And in arithmetic, we skip like ratio proportions, time distance, average, mixture, alligation, and some topics like permutation, combination, probability. So I'll just tell you the formula and 1 or 2 examples. So if you'll get the simple questions from there, then that will be okay. Otherwise, you can skip that part. Please tell me arithmetic first or the DI part first. Please tell me.
Sir, complete the arithmetics first.
Okay.
DI is altogether different.
Okay. No problem. Yes, DI you can cover within 1 or 2 classes. Don't worry. So I'll cover the arithmetic first. I'll try to cover. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So thank you everyone. If there is no doubt, then we will round up with the session. And if there is any query, then you can ask. Okay. I think no doubt is there. So that is the best part for the class. Fine. Thank you. Good night.
Good night, sir.